In cyclic photophosphorylation, students, only photosystem 1 works. Photosystem 1 and LHC 1 works. So this is the photosystem 1 and this is the photosystem 2, the reaction centers, and the exchange of excitation energy. You could see here all the different pigments that are working. Now talking about the cyclic electron transport chain, that is ETS, okay, cyclic photophosphorylation here. So you could very well see here, this is the photosystem 1 and this is the cyclic electron transport system. Here the cyclic electron transport system or the photosystem 1 is activated by wavelengths of light greater than 680 nanometer. Herein it occurs at grana thylakoid and the stroma thylakoids. So you see the granum, the chloroplast envelope, all these parts, thylakoids you could see. So it basically occurs in the granum thylakoids and the stroma thylakoids. Now during the cyclic ETS, the electrons that are ejected from the reaction center of the photosystem 1, they return back to its reaction center. And hence we call it as cyclic ETS. Okay, what happens here? So the electrons that are ejected from the reaction center of the photosystem 1, they return back to its reaction center, and that's a cycle, and hence we call it as cyclic ETS. In cyclic ETS, no oxygen evolution occurs because photolysis of water is absent. And who is the source of oxygen? That is photolysis of water. Phosphorylation, basically. Phosphorylation takes place at two places. You have to remember. Thus, 2 ATPs are generated in each cyclic ETS. So, phosphorylation is taking place at two places, and as you can clearly see, at two places, the synthesis of ATP is taking place. NADPH2, that is the reducing power, is not formed in the cyclic process. Now here the plastocyanin, that is the PC. Can you find PC over here? Plastocyanin, this is a Cu containing blue protein in the cyclic ETS. According to the modern researchers, first electron acceptor in the FRS, that is ferrodoxine reducing substance, which is a FES containing protein, earlier FD, ferrodoxine, was considered as the first electron acceptor.